Hi guys, welcome to the Seb Sesh. My name is Seb and I'm the head mixologist for Gin and Tonic. And today I'm gonna walk you through an alternative serve for our beautiful Mercato Mediterranean gin. In this serve, we're gonna be using Mallorcan tonic, which is a Mediterranean tonic specific to Spain. And as a garnish, we're gonna go again for two of the botanicals which we already have in the gin. So we're gonna go for fresh thyme and lemon. So I've just pre-chilled the glass. And now I'm gonna add a healthy double ounce of Mediterranean Mercato gin. Next, very important that we ice that up all the way to the top. Now it's time for the mixer, Mediterranean tonic, Mallorcan. Gonna prep my garnish in the meantime. So we're gonna go for fresh lemon, but also fresh thyme. So all it's missing is the straw. And there we have it. Mercato Mediterranean gin, alternative serve. Mediterranean, clean, fresh, beautiful. Enjoy.